Today, let's talk about some important indicators that determine the quality of Alucobond panels. First, the guarantee time of the surface paint must be more than 15 years. If the surface coating of Alucobond panels fades within 15 years, the damage to a building is the greatest. Second, the peeling strength of aluminum and plastic. The greater of the peeling strength means the Alucobond panel installation at any height will not cause aluminum fall-off accidents. Third, the viscosity of the protective film should not be too strong. If the viscosity is too strong, it is easy to transfer the glue to the surface of the Alucobond panel when the protective film is removed. The most serious, even the color on the protective film will be transferred to the surface. Before you buy Alucobond panels, you must make sure that the factory meets the above three indicators. A building can be used for more than 100 years. Don't let an unqualified indicator ruin a building.